Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, this is a recorded video for all of you. So, if you are not able to take live classes, you may watch it and you have to follow my instructions. So, let's start with is and are. So, today we are going to know about is and are. In my last video, we have learned about he and she. So today we will know about is and are. Okay, so first of all, we will do some weekly learning. Then we will start our is and are. So let's start. Okay, so color of the week is yellow. Color of the week is yellow. Spelling of yellow is YELLOW. Color of the week is yellow. Very good. Shape of the week is circle. Shape of the week is circle. So all of you just repeat with me. Shape of the week is circle. Shape of the week is circle. Flower of the week is sunflower. What is the flower of the week? Sunflower. So all of you, sunflower. Flower of the week is sunflower. Very good. Word of the week is flower. Word of the week is flower. Spelling of flower is FLOWER. Flower. Word of the week is flower. Very good. Month of the year is February. Say all of you. Month of the year is February. Say all of you. February. Very good. Sentence of the week is flowers are beautiful. Flowers are beautiful. Sentence of the week is flowers are beautiful. Very good. So now just open your English notebook. Today we are going to do is and are. That where we use is and where we use are. So first of all, write date. 1st February 2022. And write classwork here. Done? Good. Now write is and are. I, S, and are. So we use is in a single thing and in are we use are in more than one thing. Catching it? We use is for one thing and we use are for more than one thing. So, first of all, write here this, 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 a, FLOWER, flower. So I am going to draw one flower here. So we have colored it. This dash a flower. So what will come here? We will write here is, because there is one flower. Because there is one thing. So what we will write here? We will write here is. This is a flower. So spelling of is I-S. What we will write here? Is. Okay. So this is a flower because there is one flower. There is one thing. Okay. So next write second sentence. These dash flowers. FLOWER. So now we are going to make more than one flower. Okay, so draw it. So here we have made 2 flowers and now we are coloring it. So here we have colored it. Now we will write these are flowers because these are flowers. So write here R-A-R-E. Spelling of R is A-R-E. R. These are flowers. Okay. So like that we are going to write next. If we will write this dash a star. S-T-A-R. So if we will draw one star like this, so what will come here? Here will come, this is a star because there is one star. So all of you just write here is. I-S. What will come here? Is. This is a star. And if we will write these dash stars, and if we will make more than one star, then just draw star 1, 2 and 3. And if we will make more than one star, then what will come here? R. These are stars. A-R-E. Okay, getting it? So here will come, these are stars because there are so many stars. And there is a star. This is a star. So we will write is because there is only one star. जहाँ पे one star होगा वहाँ पे is use करेंगे. जहाँ पे more than stars one होंगे, जहाँ पे more than one stars होंगे वहाँ पे are. Okay. Now coming to the next one. 5th point. This a tree. If we will make one tree, then what will come here? Just color it first. So here will come is. This is a tree. This is a tree because there is one tree. So now in sixth sentence, we will write these dash trees. Now we will draw trees. Here are trees. These are trees. What we will write here? R, because there is more than one tree. Because there is two trees. So we will write R. So getting it? We write is for a single thing and we write R for more than one thing. Okay? So like this you have to do it and send me a picture of your work done through WhatsApp. So today we are going to learn one English rhyme in our orals. So all of you just repeat with me. I have a little frog. I have a little frog. His name is Tiny Tim. I have a little frog. His name is Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. To see if he could swim. He drank up all the water. He drank up all the water. He gobbled up the soap. He gobbled up the soap. And when he tried to talk, 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 he had a bubble in his throat. He had a bubble in his throat. Okay, once more, repeat with me. I have a little frog. I have a little frog. His name is Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. To see if he could swim. He drank up all the water. He drank up all the water. He gobbled up the soap. He gobbled up the soap. And when he tried to talk, he had a bubble in his throat. He had a bubble in his throat. Okay, so just learn this rhyme and make a short video clip of this rhyme also and send me through WhatsApp.